Welcome, in front of me is Dell XPS 13 and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this laptop. So in order to start a screen recording, first you'll have to use a combination of either Windows Shift S keys at the same time or simply press the print screen button, which is located where the F11 button is placed. And right now, once you see this bar at the top of your screen, select the record option, which is on the right, and then select the area that you want to record, like this. You can always resize the area or reshape it by dragging the sides and the corners. And once you are happy with the shape of your area, you can click Start to begin the recording. And right now, you can use three icons on this bar. The first one pauses the video, the second one stops the recording and saves it, and the third one deletes a recording without saving. So when you're ready to stop, just click the red square icon right here. Now you'll see the result. You can edit the video clicking right here, and you can see the video in the videos folder. To go there, open the file explorer, go to videos and open screen recording folder. And this is the recording that we just made. We can open it using media player. And that's what it looks like. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.